everybody, which is the company that performed the best for me in 2021? No, luckily it's not Amazon, which today reports earning. It's down pre-market 6%. Luckily, I said that because it just performed something in the vicinity of 5% last year. And that many other companies are publishing their earnings today, but the company that did the best for me last year has published its earnings yesterday, and it was Google. Google did enormously great. As you can see, this is to risk out my profile on eToro. I can't log in for privacy reasons now, but I can show you absolutely the performances I've had. My stake in Google, my percentage on the portfolio is less than it was because I sold a little bit at the end of last year since I made profits that were around 80%. So now you can see here, actually, okay, I have this position, which is the oldest one, I guess. I opened it in September 2020, and it has done over 100%. It has doubled, okay? And I opened others after I closed the old one. We can check the old one here that I closed. I did a little bit of the speculation the other days with the TQQ. I don't use normally leverage on stocks. I use the TQQ, which is a leverage. For those who don't know, is the leveraged ETF on the QQQ. It performs 3 times the Nasdaq ETF, which is the most famous one. And let's go for Google. Okay, you can. It is this. Yeah, September 2020 and October 2021. I closed at 80% profit. That was the best. And so I didn't doubt. What am I gonna do? Am I gonna sell? When am I gonna buy again? Am I buying more? Are they still performing? Because when you have a company that's like $20 billion valuation, you say, okay, maybe it can double again. But when you have a $2 trillion company, it's not that easy to make 100% in a year, you know. But they published earnings the other day, and they were up around 7, 8% pre-market. And these are the results. They outperformed in 4 out of the 5 main sectors. The only one that underperformed the expectations was YouTube advertising revenue, 8.63 billion against 8.87, but all of the others, you can see the numbers. It beat expectation by far. I mean, we're seeing a difference here in revenues, 3 billion, more than 3 billion more than what was expected. So it went up again 8% in one day. This crazy business that has a lot of risky bets right now, like Waymo. Cathie Wood spoke the other day. Cathie Wood, you know, she's always said that Tesla has the best advantage in the EV sector, electric vehicle sectors, especially for the part that regards automation. So self-driving cars. But right when she was asked what are the most probable competitors of Tesla, she said Waymo. And guess what Waymo is? Yes, it was completely bought by Google. And so this, but beyond that, beyond the risky bets, the main services that Google has keep growing a lot each year. So I love this company, guys. I'm keeping it. I'm probably buying more in the next future. Yes, I'm a big holder and big buyer of this great big tech company. See you in the next video.